You will learn how to add audio in Clipchamp from this video. Maybe you are editing a video and you want to add audio so that it will play at the background. All right, I'll walk you through how to adjust everything so that it doesn't overshadow the real content. Let's just get right into it. Once you log into your Clipchamp account, you'll find yourself on an interface that looks like this. So let's select create a new video. All right, so I'm taken to this page. I'll click on this because I don't want anything to be backed up on the cloud automatically, and I'll turn this on, okay, by clicking on it. The next step is to import your media, including the audio. So first, let's import a video. So I'll click on import media, and let's select one video from the list here. Okay, so let's work with this. I'll click on it and click on open. So now that the video has been added, let's import the audio. I'll click on this and then I will look for the audio. Look at the audio I want to use here. I'll click on it and click on open. Okay, so here we have the audio and we have the video. First, drag and drop the video, okay, to the timeline. Then after that, let's now introduce our audio. So the audio will be under, all right, and the video will be up. So drag and drop this. Okay, so but now you can see the audio is longer than the video. So what you need to do is to take your cursor to where the video ends or minimize, all right, so that you will have a loop that covers everything. Then take your cursor here and then drag until everything is in the same line, okay, and that is that. But if maybe the video is shorter than the audio is, if maybe the audio is shorter than the video, you may need to drag forward or duplicate. All right, and for you to duplicate the audio, right click on it and select the duplicate option. So you may need to keep doing this until it covers the length of the video you are working on. So but for this, let me just remove it because I don't need this. So let's play this. You will see that the audio and the voice from the video will be conflicting, but there's something we need to do so that it doesn't do that, okay? But let's play it first. You can see the audio was too much. It's just overshadowing what I'm saying in the video. So for you to reduce the level of the audio, click on the audio file first, all right, and then click on this audio icon here. So once you click on it, this audio icon will be made available here. So click on that. By default, it is placed at 100. So you may need to drag it down to get to maybe 13 or 10 or 11. Okay, so you may need to try this many times until you get something that aligns with the video properly. So let's click on this again and then play to see what you get now. This video quickly puts you through on how to create assessment form. You can see that now you can hear my voice and the audio is not overshadowing it, the background music. So that is how you add audio in Clipchamp. So once you're done with that, let's make this to fit. And the next step is to export. So click on the export button here and you're shown some options. The quality of the video you want. Do you want it in 4K or 1080p or 720? 1080p is selected automatically in my own case because that is what I like exporting my videos in. So now store in cloud, toggle off this because I don't want to back this automatically on my OneDrive account. And the next step is to click on export. And with this, within a short time, the video will be saved into your PC with the audio. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. You can check out this video here to watch a full guide on how to use Microsoft Clipchamp. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.